Hello, this is my name is Adriel Salazar. I'm from the psychology. The topic scene is following the most amazing place in the world. I am sorry if you hear sheep noises and and um, blind, whatever. The world is wonderful. This is the Can't Hype. You money beautiful place and incredible creation. Um, but think that the most beautiful thing apart from place and the world of art creation be man. If are a human being since has seen it is something perfect, but everyone has their palm of new. My top five of the most beautiful for and not only the beautiful, if not for the history or what they represent. Number one, name Machu Picchu. It is a very nice place. This is where everything said is actually the most famous spot in Peru. For good reason, the ascent terraced cities, uh, a studying architect and sweeping view of the surrounding Mount Will Levy, the British Smith, the Narling 8000 fold elevation. Okay, continue. Number two, um, the next place has the nine Japan. Japan in cherry blows season. Um, it is not his name, no. Such Butte is how he is known. Yeah. While Japan is beautiful year-round, the fig week, age spring when cherry trees across the country exploding with blossom is particular pretty time to visit. We continue. The the next place is the mountains. Its name is Hub to Five, Arizona. Before you can swim in this is beautiful blue-green water locally near Grand Canyon National Park. You have to hike the miles to get there. Truth is, it's totally worth the trek. Continue. Um, this is place also has to do white water. Um, it is Fernando de Nor de Nora, Brazil. This is remote volcano archipelago located about 200 miles of Brazil coast. Is famous for pristine white sand beach and crystal clean waters filled with seal turtles and dolphins. Do and to finish the following presentation beautiful for me, and not because of what it represent for football soccer. For me, size you consider it the best of the I what it does is his name Stout Stout Lionel Messi. Um, this is from Cost. Excuse me. Is go my words worrying. Sorry. Okay. Continue. The stout 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 of the forward of the Argentine national team on FC Barcelona, Lionel Messi, was inaugurated with fines in June 2015. On 2015, y the Paseo de la Gloria de la Costanera Sur, wearing red Argentina athletes are honored of days after the departure of Argentina in the finish of the Copa America Centenario against Chile in the United States. Um, I finish. Thank you for attention. Thank you.